Hi everyone, welcome. This week we are going to learn pairs of sound. Do you know what picture it is? Anyone? Yes, you're right. This picture is a pair of shoes. Okay, so if we discuss a pair of shoes, both look the same. I mean left side and right side. They look the same, but actually they are different. You cannot have your left side shoe for your right side shoe, right? So we have right side, left side, and each side has its own pattern. Okay, so a pair of shoes can be a metaphor for these pairs of sound. So if before this we discuss about shoes, later on we will discuss about sound, but actually they are almost the same. So here, for pairs of sound, we can define it as some words that have similar sound, but actually they are not the same. They are, what is it? Sometimes we hear it like, oh my god, those two words are the same words. But actually, no, because actually they have different sounds. We have examples here. For example, the first is bad, bad with d, right? And the second is bad, bad with t. Okay, so bad, bad. You see? Okay, it looks like they have the same sound, but actually, no, they do not have similar sound. What about second example? Put, food, put, food. Okay, so they are different, right? The first one is put, clearly p, p, okay? And the second is food, food, clearly f, right? Okay, and the last example is thin, 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 thin. Okay, for this one, we have thin. Thin is clearly t, okay? But this one, this is English sound, so you have to, what is it? Put your tongue between your teeth, okay? Just like you bite your teeth, but do not bite it, what is it? Do not bite, do not really bite it. So you just put your tongue between your teeth, and then after that, you say thin. So you pull the air first, and then you say thin. Okay? Thin, thin. Okay, so make sure that you have the, what is it, the air flows. So you can, what is it, put your hand, one of your hands, so I think right hand, under your, what is it, nose, and then you can feel the air thin. Yes. Okay, so those are the examples of pairs of sound. So our goal this week is you have to be able to differentiate those pairs of sound. So through this week, we are going to listen to some words, especially pairs of sound, and then after that, write the words so you have to guess it and be familiar with English sounds. So what are English sounds here? Are you familiar with? Okay, so English sounds here, we have vowel and we have consonant. For this one, we will learn consonant first. So for example, number one, put foot, you know it. And number two, both vote. Okay, so for this one, this sound is different from this. If this we said food. This one we call it vote. Okay? So fan, van, fan, van, town, down, tin, thin, day, they, day, they, thief, 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 could, good, could, good. Sometimes you pronounce it cool, but it's not cool. But could, clearly could, I could do it like that. Good. For this one, these words, so the first word you pronounce it as s, and the second is z. So price, 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 price. And the last is she, she. Okay, so listen carefully to some English sounds. We will have practice time. So please open your belajar and do some exercises. Good luck!